Okay, so what I went ahead and did is I'm parting the hair from the back of the head all the way up to the front, and it is right down the middle. I went ahead and tied off the section that I'm not working on just so that it doesn't get in my way. And from here we're going to start an inverted French braid. An inverted braid is also known as a Dutch braid, so this is also known as a Dutch French braid. You're going to start it at the base of your skull and bring it up along your hairline. You want to make sure that when you're pulling hair to add into the braid that you don't pull past the part. That's why we parted the hair in the first place. You only want to pull the hair from the part and over. Again, you want to keep this close to the hairline, so make sure that you watch that. You also want to make sure that you keep this braid tight. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to French braid it all the way around her head. And I'm going to continue to talk, so if you get confused about what I'm doing, you can just watch. You can literally see me going all the way around her head. But if you don't know how to braid a Dutch braid, I will leave a link in the description box that brings you to another one of my videos that I have a tutorial in the beginning of showing you how to do this braid. So that's something that you might need to look at if you are confused. Another thing is that you may need someone else to do this look for you because it is at the base of your head and then up and over. So maybe you could get with a buddy and say, hey, I'll braid your hair if you braid my hair. So after I've finished braiding the French part of it, I go ahead and I take that braid and I flip it around so that it sits next to the head nice and tight. And then I'm starting to pin it and I pull it up and place it behind the braid that's already down. And then you can see like I'm pinning it where I need to. I tuck that excess hair in the back where you can't see it and I pin it down. And then all you're going to do now is just pin any hair that is hanging out, any hair that is loose, anything that doesn't fit with the look that we're going for. This is nice and clean. It's very pretty and precise, so make sure that you hairspray or gel down any flyaways. And then here is a look at it. Make sure that you have enough pins because it can get a little crazy.